So this is the third time I've tried to take this look. And so we've got a few variations on this look today. So I've got with green, and I've got it with red, and I've also got it with purple that I'll put it in a clip later so you can see. And I just wanted to play with gold and silver and have a bit of fun. So let's go get started. Some videos just, I think, are destined not to be filmed. I just realised I didn't have my microphone for all that time, so there might be a lot of fast forwarding in this video. We're sitting on the floor, so I don't know if you'll be able to hear me. I'm getting my NYX Matte liquid eyeliner, and I'm going to do a little wing. So I'll do that and come back. Okay, that took forever. So I have got smiley winged eyeliner today. So it doesn't look too bad. This one's definitely better than that one, so don't look at that one, just look at this one. And I've tight lined with my Rimmel Blackest Black pencil, and I've also put my mascara on the top, which is my L'Oreal Paradise one. So that's what the look looks like at the moment. And I could just go in with a bit of gold and silver and have a very plain look, but for this look I wanted to do a bit more colour. So the first time I filmed this, and I don't know whether you could hear me last time, so I'll just say it again, or I might end up fast forwarding through last time I said it. Okay, now I'm just waffling. So last time I filmed this and it didn't work because I had forgotten to film the middle bit, so you missed all the middle bit of the eyeshadow and you only got the beginning and the end. I did purple on the lower lash, and I was wearing a pink shirt, and I really liked that. I thought it was a really nice look. But today I want to go more Christmassy, and I'm going to do a red and a green, and I've decided I'm going to do red on one side and green on the other, so just because why not? So I'm going to use my L.A Girl Glide On Gel Liner in Limelight, and I'm going to just line the bottom of my eyes with that. And I'm going to smudge that out a bit with my little angle brush. And I'm not going to wing it out. You see why I did, oh, I'll show you on this side because that side's not that great. So you can see how that little bit of shadow that I winged out goes with the wing. So we don't need to do that on the bottom as well as the top. I need a bit more eyeliner just there that didn't go on. And then I'm going to go into, I've got so many palettes in front of me, I'm scared they're going to fall off, my CHI Freedom Palette. And I'm going into this green colour here. So any green that takes your fancy. And as I said, the first time I did it, I did purple. And I'm going to do green on the side and red on the other side. So basically you can just use any colour that you like. Because the gold and the silver will go with any colour. I need my little smudger brush. So there's the green side. And on this side I'm going to do red. So I'm going to get my red eyeliner, which I left over there. So my red eyeliner is a dark one. It's the Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil in Berry Fantastic, because I haven't got a red, the right colour for what I want, but that's okay. And I'm going to go back into my CHI Freedom palette and get this bright, oops, it's so big, this bright red here. And I'm going to go through a lot of brushes with this look, because I'm going to get another angled brush, go into that bright red and put it over that eyeliner that I just used. It's beautiful pigmented colours, so even though I used a dark eyeliner, because I just want something for that red to stick to really well, it still shows up a nice bright red. It doesn't get lost in that dark berry colour. And then I'm going to use my smudger brush. I'm just going to wipe the green off because I don't want the red and the green to mix, because then I'm going to lose that nice brightness. And I'm going to just smudge that out. And I want to make sure that they're both smudged out kind of equally. And what do I wish to do next? Now I'm going to do some highlighting on my face. Now I've already got my contour and my bronzer on, and I've got a bit of blush on. We'll see. I think I've got enough blush on. I'm going to use my Master Chrome Maybelline highlighter in Molten Gold. And I'm going to put that on the tops of my cheeks. And then I'm going to go into my BYS Highlighter 2 palette, and I'm going to go into Moonstone. I'm going to get a little fluffy brush, and I'm just going to do the very tops. So I've got that same gold and silver on my highlighter as I have on my eyes. I just put some on my finger and down the centre of my nose. And on my Cupid's bow, and I'm just going to use my fluffy brush and just try and buff out any harsh lines. And I think I'm going to go in with this little brush here. This is a Simply Essentials EO2, and I'm going to go back into this one, I think. I just had to think for a minute there whether that's what I wanted to do. And I'm just going to pop just a tiny little bit just above, just underneath my brow, there, on my brow bone. And then I wiped off my brush and I'm buffing that out. And I've got my L.A Girl Metal Liquid Lipstick in Molten on with my L'Oreal Lip Liner Pencil in Perfect Red. And I'm also going to pop on just a little bit of gloss. So I'm going to use my LA Colors Catwalk Gloss in Brilliant, which looks like this. I'm going to go in with a Revlon Photoready liner in Violet. So it's a double-ended one. It's got a creamy coloured and a colour at one end. So I'm going to use the purple end, and I'm going to tightline it and go underneath the eyes. And I'm going to go into my Chique palette again, and I'm going to get this purple colour down here. And I'm just going to stamp it along that eyeliner. And I'm going to go back into the Rebel palette and getting that light silver. And I'm just going to run that underneath to join the purple up at the corner of the eye. And then I'm going back into the Nudes palette, and I'm going to get, no I'm not going in that one. I'm going to go into the NYX Revolution palette, and I'm just going to get this matte white called Penguin. And I'm going to put that on the inner corner because the lid's so shiny, I just want something matte on the inner corner. And I'll run a little bit of it up here as well. Not too much, just a little bit. I'm going to do my bottom lash mascara with my little BYS Super Slim. I feel like some of my base has melted off and I'm very shiny now because I was all set to film, and my daughter came in and said, "Oh, can you come and pick up my friend for me because she's going to come around and stay the night." So I had to stop. I'd already put my base on and that, get in an extremely hot car, and so I'm a bit shiny, but I'm just going to add a bit more shine because why not? So I'm using my Maybelline Master Chrome in Molten Gold. So I haven't got any highlighter on yet. And then I'm going to go into my BYS Rebel BYS Highlighter 2 palette, and I'm going to use the same brush, and I'm going to go into the light gold called Whisper. And put some on my finger. And I want to go for something very nude on the lips today, so I'm going to go and find my lipstick and come back. So I'm going to use my Nude by Nature pencil, and I'm going to line my lips first. So then I'm going to go into my Maybelline lipstick called Daringly Nude, which is very appropriate considering I was looking for something really nude. This is a matte lipstick because the eyes are so shiny. I just want something really matte on the lips. Now, if I want to increase the shine on my eyes a little bit more, I can go into my NYX Shimmer Down pigment. It's a silver colour, platinum. I can never say it. platinum. You know what I mean anyway. So I'm going to go into that, and I'm just going to pop a little bit of it in the middle of my eye. Now, I think I might get some glitter glue for this. So I'm going to use my Essence Glitter Primer. I need a little brush. I've washed half my brushes, so I'm having trouble finding the ones I want to use. Just going to put a little bit of that on the back of my hand. And I'm going to use that same brush, and I'm going to put some of the glitter on. So I'm just going to pick some glitter on it and then rub it on to the glue. So see if you can see any difference in how shiny it is. Just intensifies that shine a bit. Now I think this look would go well with some false eyelashes, because the light lids would really accentuate the false eyelashes, but I haven't got time to put those on because I'm going shopping soon. Here, that's doing something weird there. Never mind, ignore that. So this is my look 10, and there is my finished look. So that's look 10. I had to think about that for a minute. So that's look 10 all finished. So I hope you enjoyed that video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.